Econoline van in the Quincy shop. They have a spring bolt or a flex right here. Usually from the factory it's actually a spring bolt, but that had broke, and at some point in the past someone replaced it with a flex. You can see that's broken now. We're going to cut it back here, put a new hanger in, and go past this clamp up here and cut it here, and just replace that section of it for him so he doesn't have to buy both sides because it was welded in before. That pipe's been dry fitted in. We're just tacking it in place now. You can see it's a lot cleaner looking, much better, new hanger, all straight, not a bunch of different welds. This will last a lot longer. We do give it full 2-year warranty on it. And it's just a simple pipe repair at Lou's in Quincy.